Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rahman and today we are going to talk about some real big updates related to Kishu Inu and this token. The way this is growing is amazing. Right now I know the price is down and I have to mention it again and again because of the new people who are bashing the token, who are talking like, hey, why the price is not growing, why the price is not growing. Obviously if you buy at all-time high or something like this and it drops down there, I understand what you feel. But you need to understand that that's how cryptocurrency works. Not just this token, every other altcoin, meme coin, or even Bitcoin. So the people who bought 60,000 or 50,000 and now they must be so angry. Obviously, they have the right, but that's how it works. And if you don't know how it works, and if you're really new in it and you don't know what you're doing, you should stop doing instead of blaming others. So other than that, let's get into the video. I got some updates for you guys. Even the Binance listing thing, I posted it like a while ago, but now I got some official news related to that, so I will share with you guys here right now. When you check out official page of Kishu Inu, you can see last post they posted. Do you think the Binance should consider listing us? If so, ask them to make sure you tag CZ Binance, Kishu Army on your comments below. And this is huge. Why it is huge? Because it is posted by official Kishu Inu page this time. It's gonna make an impact. And as you know, the other news that they are going to launch another token that is going to help Kishu Inu to grow. It is the main project always will be Kishu Inu. That token will help Kishu Inu and walk side by side and help Kishu Inu to burn, and the price will go up eventually. So there are some great news coming for Kishu Inu, and here you can see you can tag Kishu Inu and ask Binance to list them on your comments. Let's show them how strong a community we are. We are only 3 months old. Here are our utilities. Then you can see the picture on your screen, Kishu Inu real world utilities. So it's not a small meme coin anymore. It is getting more than that. Here you can see Kishu Swag merch, and Kishu is now separate on Amazon, eBay, Walmart. And then you can see Living Wage Real Estate adopts Kishu Inu crypto for property sales and agent commissions. That's really a thing. I mean, they are actually trying hard and they are succeeding in so many things. And then you can see Ronaldinho, and also behind him the building Burj Khalifa where Kishu was displayed, and that these all things are really huge and making an impact. Right now the time is not going good. I know it sounds so boring when I say it again and again, but people need to understand that. And not a financial advice, but if you're gonna buy, this is the time you should buy. As you know, the famous saying, you should buy when others are fearful and sell when others are confident. So that's how crypto things work, and you should not go and just say everything is a scam just because you lost some money. Obviously there are a lot of people who made some big bucks with these type of tokens, Kishu Inu, and there are so many others. Even myself, I made some really good profits with some coins, some meme coins, and I am telling you, like, this is all about where you buy and where you sell. It really depends on it. So I know a lot of people buy when it was pumping, and when it drops down and they are like mad totally. But believe me, this is a coin which you should hold and which is worth holding, because the way they're doing, you can see here they already burned $100,000, and you can see it on Ethereum transaction hash. They linked it there, so they are so transparent. The team is amazing. Plus, as I shared in my previous video also, if you got anything you want to ask, you can even ask from the team directly. As I mentioned, Robinhood is a guy on their Telegram, official Telegram, and also on their Discord. You can just go and ask him or ask the team. He's a community mod and he will answer you. So that's an amazing thing. They are approachable, they are transparent, and they are trying hard in this type of time. And I just wonder what they can do when everything settle and as Bitcoin start pumping, because everyone is saying this is not the end of the bull run and there is some fuel left which can lift Bitcoin to some great heights. But not a financial advice, just updating you guys whatever I found with my research and everything. So overall, I'm still saying it's a great token to hold, and the buying time should be now, because you should buy when it's lying like this, not when it's pumping. That is so risky. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, all about Kishu Inu and some real great updates. I did not make a video yesterday because I was so busy, and otherwise I keep you updated with all the other currencies also if I got some actual updates from them. So if you're new on the channel, you can subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.